What is up mga bro? Ako nga pala si Trinity and welcome back sa isa na namang panibagong video. What are we? Some detectives or something? Okay, here we are.
Nice.
Nasa hospital daw tayo. Shift 1. So this is hospital anomaly. I think. Sup, I'm Tamago Kabuyashi. I'm here for my appointment. Uy. I will be in room 1. This is your room? Okay, okay. Akala ko may bibisitahin siya. Hello po, Kobayashi? Oh, sorry naman. Analyze the sample. What do you mean? Stomach ache. Okay, sakit lang ng tiyan yan. Hindi malayo sa bituka. Hindi. Malapit pala. Herbs. Sa tayo kukuha ng herbs. That's medkit, bandages. Ano to? Maple syrup. Okay. Where's the herbs? Okay, ito. Herbs. This is better than I thought. Here's your treatment. You can now go out. Oh. Magpapagaling ka pa pala. Sorry naman, sorry. I hope you're not... Oh. Bago lang ako dito. I'm gonna wait for some patient. Diyan ka lang. Okay, sure. Wala pa naman. Okay, I'm back. Let's see. What's wrong with you? Uy, dried eyes. Here's some eye drop. The doctor is arriving. Ooh, sino to? Dr. Quack Quack? Hello, doctor. Top secret? May hawak siyang top secret na ano. You must be the new hire. I'm Dr. Harlow. Hello, Harlow. You must be the new hire. Some advice if things get strange, just keep working. What? I will fix up the shutters and security cameras for you. Hindi ba doktor ka? Hindi ka mekaniko. $63 na yun? Awe? Paldo tayo sa trabaho natin. Oh. Get out. Umalis ka dito. I can refuse you.
Whoa.
Dalawa sila. What is wrong with this? Ba't dalawa kayo? Oh no. Can you please leave? What the fuck are you doing? Oh. Get out. Baliw ka na pre. Hindi ka sa hospital. Hindi ka dapat naririto. Nasa mental ka dapat. Buka. Hello? What's your name? Ooh. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Duke Thomas. Thanks. I will be in room 5. Short. I keep hearing whispers down the hall. Ba't ka tumae? Dito? Hello, Zokang. Oh, damn. You're twitching. Nah. Get out. No service? Yes. You're twitching. I don't know if that's a sickness or something. Hello. What's your name? I want to check in as a patient. Anong gagawin nyo? What's your name? Pangalan mo? Anong pangalan mo? Oscar Lim. Alright. Sure. Go. Thanks. I will be in room 3. Sure. May padating na naman. Oh no! Sorry. Okay. Room 3. That's your room. There. Ang dami! Ikaw ba yun? Dami naman namang inipot. Okay. Get out. You can just refuse me. Oh, I can, bro. I can do that. Uy, pistol. Ba't tayo may pistol sa ospital? Nagpapagaling tayo, hindi pumapatay. Okay, nandito siya sa room 4. No! Struggle! What the f... Oy! Ikaw ba may pakananon? Tado! Pasalamat ka, nakahiga ka na. Pwede ka si palayasin dito eh. Here you go. The doctor is arriving. Alright. Hello. I'm opening new facilities for you. Ako lang mag-isa, di kaya to. The supplies shop will be open for in limited time each shift. Alright. Ooh, the shop is open. Ooh, okay. Dito tayo kukuha. Extra check-in window. Sige, bilhin ko to. Ito, pang late game muna or mid game. What the hell? No. Hindi ako dentista. Hindi ako dentista. I am not a dentist. Nandito siya sa room 3. Hello. Magiging okay ka lang. Oh no, need natin ng kape. Dried eyes and headache. Okay, medicine. Where's the medicine? Anong nangyayari? Where the hell are you? What in the world is happening? Okay, don't look up. Nasa na? Okay. Dito. Alright. Look up. Ang late mo sinabi yun. Late mo sinabi na don't look up. Visit minigame. Minigame. Heart attack ba to? Yes! Alright. Bawal titingin. Okay, buti mabilis lang. Fever and rush. Thermo and ointment. Okay. Try natin hanggang shift 5 lang ako. Sige. What's the point of taking a photo? Tony yun. Okay. Give a coffee. Anong coffee? Sige na nga. Pasalamat ka. Mataas sanity ko ngayon. Thanks, friend. I needed that. Barney? Okay. Ba't di ka violet? Kulay puti ka. Namuti ka ata. Hello? Good afternoon. Good evening. Good night. Akin na yung dugo mo. I'm a vampire. Ano kaya problema mo sa ulo? Headache. Oh, sakto. Sa ulo talaga problema mo. Patay ka. Ito naman sa room 8. Ay, surgery. Alright. Wisit ka. Puro kabel. Room 6 ka. Bobo! Ang layo naman nun. Labas na ng TV yun ah. Yes, alright. Ay, gago, di ko nakita. Copy the sequence. Completed! Let's go! Puro minigame to, patay! Pagkakatanda ko, meron akong patient sa kabila. I think. Nakalimutan ko na. Alright, you're gonna be fine. Hello, doctor. Nandito din. Nandito din siya. Okay. Hello. Some patients may seem unstable. Oh, napapansin ko nga eh. Make sure to use the photo and cameras. Stay alert. Ano ba sa tingin mo ginagawa ko? I will unlock the taser. Use it wisely. Oh, pwede ba gamitin sa'yo? 5002. Anomalies prevented. 0. Nice. What the fuck? It's a alright. Being small has its advantage. Here seems normal. I'll be in room 8. Alright, surgery? Whoa! This is the first time. Normal, seems normal. Oh, whoa, what are you doing? No. Teka lang, gising. What the fuck? Bigla ka na nang nagising. Nilaloko mo ba ako? Hello, Hana. May surgery pa ako. This is going to be hard. Gagi, may time. Okay, eye drops. 4 drops. Scalpel. Oh no. Scalpel. Organ. Bilisan mo. Transplant. Scissors. Oh no. A scissors, antibiotic. Where the fuck is the medicine? Alright. Medkit. 10 seconds. Yes! Alright. Bahala ka na dyan. Damn. Anong ginawa mo dito? What? Ano bang binigay ko? What? Visit ka, sasaraduhan kita. Okay. Ito ka lang doon. Asan yung taser ko? Magte-taser ako, gago. Anyways. Uy, ayaw mo buksan to? Okay. Alright. Are ready? Green. Pink. Blue. Pink. Green, pink, blue. Okay. Nice. No. Buisit ka! 8 seconds. What are you doing? Stomach ache and flu. May sipon ka.
Bruh.
Oh no. Buisit ka! Tantado. Yes. There's so many 6 people died and many more were hurt. Yes, there's so many anomalies. Be prepared and the ambulance is coming. Alright. Ba't ka tumatakbo? Whoa. Roommate. Critical patient. We need to start surgery now. Go. Medicine. Shit! Patay, men! Napatay ko. No! Napatay ko siya! Ano ba yung ginawa ko? Tama naman, medicine yun. Kulay green. Oh! Oh! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Visit. No, this is too much for me. Extinguish. Ano nangyari? Mamatay ako. Ah, masakit. Buisit ka! Gusto ko namang taste. Gusto ko namang taser. Pucha, yun na naman. Kunin ko na nga to. No, mamamatay ako dito. Oh, no, 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 no. I'm dead. Fuck. Ah! Bro, I went mad, bro. I went mad. Sino ba namang hindi? Diba? Sino ba namang hindi? So, this is it. This is our first game of Hospital Anomaly. So, thank you sa panonood. Mag-subscribe na kayo. I-like nyo na yung like button. And i-share nyo na rin sa iba. Muli, salamat sa panonood. Thank you and bye-bye.